Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our 83 Wagoneer again. We're going to be replacing the tailgate straps. So we've got these tailgate straps from Johnson Production. I'm going to show you just the process of getting them installed. Some of the tools we're going to be using are a T40 Torx bit, and then you can get either a Phillips or flathead screwdriver just for installing the hardware on the strap here. Let's get started. Start by taking out these two bolts here. This is our T40 Torx bit. Keep track of the washers that are on here. It's got a total of 3 washers. And then the same thing on the tailgate side. Again, we've got 3 washers on here. 2 are the same, and then one is like a spring washer. So keep track of those, and then we'll just put them back on. Okay, so we're gonna take our strap. Strap has got 2 different holes. It's got a circular hole and an oval hole. The oval hole is gonna go up on the Jeep side. You've got your bolt. You just want to make sure you put this spring washer on here first. Then it's going to go through the oval hole. And then you've got these 2 other washers that are, what's the word again?
Dome.
Dome. We're going to go with dome. So they're curved. You want to have the top of the dome part touching the strap or touching the bolt. And then that allows it to put pressure into the Jeep body, holds it in place. So just get that started. Okay, and then down here to the bottom, to the tailgate side, same thing. We've got the bolt, you got your spring washer, put that on first. It goes through the strap. And then your 2 domed washers with the dome or top part against the strap. And then you may have to lift up on the tailgate just a little bit. Get this started back in here. Snug it up. Okay. Do our test close. Pretty easy install. We always try and tell you what the hardest thing about a project is. The hardest thing about it would probably just be putting this bolt, the hardware in, which is fairly simple. Just keep track of all your original hardware, the washers. You want to make sure that those all go back on. We'll put a link in the description of the parts and the tools that we use on this project. As of right now, this is a prototype that Johnson Productions is working on. As soon as they're available, we'll put a link to the part on their website, and we'll just test it out. Thanks for watching.